Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will continue with the question on XEB 2016. Now this is question on fluid statics, question number 12. Let us see the question. A block is floating at a water-oil interface as shown in the figure. The density of oil is 2/3 that of water. Given that the density of the block is 800 kg per meter cube and water is 1000 kg per meter cube, the fraction of the total height of the block in oil is dash. Now first here we have to understand that the force due to buoyancy of this is based on the amount of water or amount of liquid that is displaced. Now if I say the amount that is displaced by water is HW is the height, HO is that of the oil, okay, and HB is the total height. Since we are taking it as a block which we consider it as a rectangle or a cubical block, so this is H block, okay. So I can say H block is equal to H naught plus HW, H oil plus HW, okay. So let us see, the buoyant force is equal to the volume displaced. If I consider this block in the third dimension having area A, if I say it has an area A in the third dimension, if that is the case, then area into H oil, okay, whatever the oil is displaced, H oil into density of oil, okay, plus H of water into area, obviously here the area I missed, so it is area or into HW into rho of water is equal to weight of the liquid. What is the weight of the block, which is given as area into H block into, I can say, density of the block, okay. Now what we require H naught by H naught as a fraction of HB, right? So we have to eliminate HW here. So from here we can get HW is equal to HB minus H naught. Let us substitute that. Area cancels here everywhere. So I can write H naught into density of oil plus HB minus H naught into density of water is equal to HB into density of this one. So what we need H naught by HB, we can say H naught by HB. So if I say H naught into density plus HB into density of water minus H naught into density of water is equal to HB into density of the block. So now if I rearrange this, I can write H naught into density of oil minus density of water, correct, that is what is coming, and yeah, density of water, correct, no, this is equal to HB into density of block minus density of water. Now this is going the other way around. If you observe, this particular thing goes here, that is why it becomes so. So we can have H naught by HB is equal to rho B minus this is not HW, this is rho W, I am sorry here, it is rho W, okay. So rho B minus rho W divided by rho naught minus rho W. Now when you substitute that, you will get that this is rho B is 2/3 of that water, so it is 2/3 of rho W, okay, minus rho W divided by H of oil is given as this is given as 800, I am sorry, this is given as 800, rho block is given as 800, rho water is given as 1000, rho naught is given as 2/3 of 1000 minus we have 1000, okay. Now the answer for this comes out to be HB by H naught by HB comes out to be 0.6. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood this, students. Thank you very much.